Welcome to our channel, the go-to spot for all things forestry machinery. From classic chainsaws to cutting-edge harvesters, we spotlight the equipment shaping the timber industry. Hit subscribe and explore the dynamic world of forestry with us. Let's start by tackling the impressive job of felling this massive 10-foot cedar tree. The steel MS-88, with its 42-inch bar, excels at cutting through the thick trunk, combining precision and power for effective land clearing and large-scale forestry tasks. Watch as a 1,000-year-old red oak tree stump with a massive 1.5-meter diameter is sawn into large wooden slabs using a high-powered saw. Each hardwood slab reveals the beauty of nature's craftsmanship as this ancient giant unveils its hidden history. The Ponce Elk K90 delivers 204 horsepower and a load capacity of 13,000 kilograms. Its 10-meter crane and 8-wheel drive excel in rugged terrains, making it perfect for efficient timber handling and rapid log loading in forestry operations. Let's watch how the John Deere 2054 logger operates with its 159 to 180 horsepower engine, processing up to 90 cubic meters of wood per hour. Its 10 to 12 meter limit the limber, and efficient tracks ensure smooth operation on rugged terrain. Powered by 300 bar pressure, the LogMax 7000C offers a cutting capacity of 713 millimeters and a feed speed of 5.2 MPS. Paired with a John Deere 1470G, it excels at felling large, branchy trunks, making it ideal for efficient logging in rugged environments. The skid steer rotating tree saw for ASV RT120 features a 60 to 80 centimeters blade and 360-degree rotation. It offers a reach of 3 to 4 meters, allowing efficient cutting of trees and branches close to the ground and from extended distances. Clearman Industries HD852 debarker tackles tough bark removal while preserving wood. It processes logs up to 52 inches in diameter, features a welded steel base frame, and uses a 75 horsepower TEFC motor for enhanced efficiency and power. Just one stick of this wood could buy a hectare of land. Watch as a 1.3 meter diameter, 10 meter long block worth up to $1 billion is cut, revealing stunning wood grain with each powerful saw slice. With a cutting diameter capacity of up to 48 inches and hydraulic flow requirements of 150 to 200 LPM. The ProMac HDM48, used with 300 horsepower machinery, efficiently delimbs and debarks trees, enhancing log quality and forestry operations. The Datemer Kegel-Spalter DKS 140, with a splitting force of 140 tons and a log diameter capacity of up to 100 centimeters, efficiently splits large logs using a hydraulic system, ideal for heavy-duty wood processing. With a lifting capacity of up to 10 tons and a maximum reach of 14 meters, the Liebherr LH35M timber, powered by 322 horsepower, efficiently handles and transports large timber loads, ideal for timber yards and forestry operations. Let's see the Mibor HTZ 1200 Plus horizontal bandsaw in action. With a cutting width of up to 50 inches and a length of 6 meters, it features a 75 kilowatts motor for efficient softwood processing, perfect for high-volume sawmills. The Posh Split Master is perfect for high-volume wood processing since it has an ergonomic design, a log lifter, and a splitting power of 30 tons. It can handle logs up to 1.25 meters in diameter. With a 40 horsepower engine, the Energreen RoboGreen Evo Features a 52 inches working width and handles up to branches. It efficiently mulches both forest undergrowth and grass, offering versatile land management solutions. The wood splitter bottom delivers a powerful 20-ton splitting force, handling logs up to 17.7 inches in diameter and 43.3 inches in length. It efficiently splits wood for firewood and processing. It's powered by a 7.5 kilowatts engine